Hi, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Well, what is it that has been pushing you down? Friends, remember, lockdown is only for the body. It is definitely not for the soul. If you go with this thought, you still have your freedom to be very productive and do all that you like. So, in this period of crisis, do I continue to play the victim or be grateful and remember all the gifts that I still have? What are the gifts that I can think of? Food, fresh clothes, home that keeps me safe, family that cares for me, and I do get all that I need. Is if we have all this, don't you think we have to be grateful? And mainly, my thoughts is not under lockdown. Friends, we always have been in some sort going through some kind of evaluation. Evolution was one phase, evaluation is another phase. Have we not been in continuous evaluation? Right from we joined the kindergarten or the preschool, there were stars, golden stars, silver star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 5 stars, whatever. We did have that. And then there were the grades, the numbers, the ranks. And then when we go to a job, also there is a self appraisal, team appraisal. We are always in a process of evaluation. So, can we just evaluate what I do, where do I stand, who do I choose to be in a crisis? Shall we do a self evaluation? If you're good to do the self evaluation, the first phase will be the fear zone. In the fear zone, in a crisis, what do I do? I get irritated very fast. If that is what you're doing, that is one tick in the fear zone. If we are panicking, going through all that the social media or the media serves us, and then share all that information, that is another tick in the fear zone. And do I act like a victim? Blame everybody for everything that is happening. I might be blaming people around, I might be blaming the government, my family, I might even be blame God for all that is happening around. Am I doing that? Then there is another tick in the fear zone. And uh, I hoard vegetables, food, medicines, toilet paper, everything, as if there is no tomorrow, as if there is no hope. Then there is another tick in the fear zone. Award yourself 5 points for every tick that is there in the fear zone. So, if whatever points it's there, just tabulate it and keep it. The next zone will be the learning zone. Okay, in the learning zone, I let go of control and fall back upon trust. Trust that I do my bit, the universe takes care. Again, let go of control. I'm not saying freak out, run everywhere, do not take precautions. That's not what I mean. Let go of control is trust, take the precautions, follow the government directives, but yeah, stay safe, but trust that everything is going to be well. So, if that is how you are, put a tick, that gives you 5 points. Be mindful of all that you consume. If I'm mindful of all that I consume, it could be the food, it could be my thoughts, it could be what I read, what I watch on the media, what I react to, what I forward, what I take as mine in the social media, what is that I allow people to talk to me, what are the points of view I borrow from people. All this is what I consume. So if you're doing even any one of this, that is a tick there. And chalk out a program. If you're mindful of what you want to consume in the media, what you don't want to consume, that means you have a discretion. So if Am I chalking out a program for myself? Now there is much more time than when we were working in our respective offices. Maybe most of you are working from home. I am working from home, but we still have the time that is there used in the commute. So, do I have a program? Productive program where I chalk out this is what I can do. These were the things on my to do list and keep doing that. Then there is another tick on the learning zone and acknowledge that everyone is doing the best they can. If you are doing any of this, you can tick that and put 5 points there. The next point of evaluation is the growth zone. Am I being emphatic? Emphatic is yes, this is the best that can happen. Yes, I am healthy. Yeah, somebody has a problem. I could have been there. What is the best thing I can do to help? That is emphatic, being emphatic. Am I being emphatic? Am I thinking of how I can help? Helping might mean just staying indoors, staying safe, and doing the bit which is good to connect dots that will help people in whatever way we can contribute. It could be sending money to the PM Care Fund, it could be tipping off the police on wherever there is a group or a mob or where people are not following social distance. That could be one, or through video calls and through social media, encouraging people to follow social distancing, to talk about the importance of wearing a mask. It could be anything. How can I help? If we are doing that, there is a tick in the growth zone. And if I'm uh, living in the now and not thinking of what comes next, but know how things can be with a clarity, that is the growth zone. If I can make the best of the moments that I am living now, that is a growth zone. Am I being appreciative and grateful of everything that I have, of everything that people are doing, even for others? It might not be directly to me. Then I am in the growth zone. So you can put a tick for any of this and you can evaluate yourself on where you stand in a crisis. It is very easy to move. This is not a fixed space. Oh my god, I'm in the fear zone, I'm stuck. Definitely it's not about being stuck, friends. You can always just change. Louis Hay says, if you don't like your life, change your thoughts and you change your life. So if you feel that you are in a zone that you're not happy about, all that you have to do is flip whatever you're doing to something productive, to something which is going to teach you some value, and do that, and that helps you shift your focus. Remember, what you focus on expands. So, are you focusing on fear or hope? Are you focusing on learning or panicking? Are you focusing on growth or going down? Choice is yours. So, thank you for joining me, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love and light.